Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial for putting together some mini books. These are from a printable kit in my Etsy shop. I have lots of different kits for mini books, but this is the Wildflowers one. And I'm changing things up from how I used to put my mini books together. It's not a lot different, but just enough that I wanted to do a new tutorial to show everyone kind of how these go together. So the kit comes with a set of covers and then also some pages. And it comes with pages that have images on them, and then also blank and lined pages in case you want to do like a little mini journal. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put these together, starting with the covers. So this is one of the covers, and what you do to start is you fold it in half, just like this, and try to line the edges up the best you can, because the more precise you get it, the better it'll look when it's finished. And then what you also want to do is fold it to either side of the spine, just like this. And again, just try to make sure things are lined up. And then what you have is your little book cover. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this together really quickly. And I'm going to be using a glue stick. But I recommend using maybe a stronger glue if you're going to make these, because the glue stick, when it dries, can sometimes pop apart. But just for the sake of being quick here, I'm going to go ahead and use the glue stick. And then while it's still drying, I like to fold mine again so that it all lines up correctly. And when you're done, you may realize that there's just a little bit of extra white space on parts of it. And if that happens, you can go ahead and just cut those off with some scissors if you want to. So that's easy, the cover. And next comes the pages. And I recommend doing the pages in sets of 3 strips, just like this. So you cut your pages into 3 strips, and then what you do, make sure they're right side up, because I've gotten these upside down before. Okay. And what you want to do is just start with the first page and fold it backwards to the line of the next page, just like that. And sometimes the lines are kind of hard to see, so just kind of do your best to make sure everything's lined up correctly. And then you want to fold it backwards again, kind of accordion style, so, or like a fan. You just go back and forth, back and forth. And I'm getting a little crooked here, but you want to try to keep it straight again. And when you're done, you'll end up with this kind of accordion fold. And you want to repeat that for all your strips. Okay, and once you've got your 3 page strips folded, you're going to take, choose which one you want to be the very first page. It doesn't always matter, but sometimes it does if there's a sequence that makes sense. But in this case, I really like this picture, so I'm going to make it my first page. And what's going to happen is, oh, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Before we do that, we need to actually glue these pages together. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn them over, and we're going to fold these 2 pages, or glue these 2 pages and glue these 2 pages together. Just like that. And then repeat that for the other ones as well. Now, once you've got your 3 sets all glued together, then you want to choose your front page, which I'm choosing this one to be my first page. And so that's going to go here, and then we're going to take this page and glue them together. Again, just try your best to line them up. And if there's a little white space showing, you can either cut it off or you can even ink your edges, and that helps hide some of the white that shows sometimes. Okay. And then we're going to repeat that for this last set of pages. And again, try to make sure they're right side up. It's really easy to get them the wrong way. And sometimes it doesn't matter. Sometimes they're not oriented any certain way, but usually they are, so. Okay, and now you've got your pages. Mine are sticking together a little bit here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is open up your book cover, and we're going to go ahead and just take these white pages and glue them to the inside of the front and back cover. And I like to line up my pages with my spine, and that's how I kind of know where to put the page. Okay, and there you go. You've got your pages inside your little mini book. And you just repeat that process for the rest of the covers and pages as desired. All right, thanks guys.